Union Public Service Commission UPSC na Louba Civil Servicemen Examination gi CENTRESING LAOTHORAKPADA CHAHI ASIDAGI AHANBA OINA MANIPURGI IMPHAL YAOHALLAKPAGIDAMAK RAJYA SABHAGI MP SANAJAOBA Prime Minister NARENDRA MODIBU THAGATPA FONGDOKHRE MP SANAJAOBA mahaki social media post amada mahakna makhatana hai kumjale singani kunmathoi gi Mars tada famkiba parliament mifamda UPSC na troga masiga manaba exam singi CENTRESING pibada MANIPURGI IMPHAL su yauhanbina ba MP masamakna special mention oina bukatuna taksinki masigi matakta kumjali singani kuni thoigi August 10 da issue asigi matangda chap chaba thabak paikat pinaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi da aiba cherol ama thaduna haizakibani hariba cherol aduda UPSC na Louba Civil Services Men Examination thagadoriba Manipur gi lairaba mahairoi singna India gi atopa city singda chatnaba honabada mayuk nariba selthum gi awaba amadi atei khudong chadaba kaya sida meeting sangbiduna IMPHAL busu Civil Services Men Examination gi center oihannaba mathau taba thabak sing paikat pinaba taksinki lonena Manipuri language tamadi literature bu optional paper oina exam sing thengnariba Manipur gi candidate singna makhoida makhatana Tambikidraba Bengali mayekta tangai fadana examination asigi answer sing idaba yadabagi khudong chadaba sing mayuk nari haba mawfam sing thamki MP Sanajaoba makhatana kumjale singani kunhundoi gi February nipa da form kiba parliament mifam da civil services examination da Manipuri optional paper gi answer ibada Bengali mayek amadi mitay mayek animagta iba yahanbina ba special mention oina bukatuna taksin kibaga lonina higher examination singa sige answer ibada mitay mayek amadi Bengali mayek animagta ibagi ayaba adu union government na pibiraki MP Sanajaoba makataraduna handakta February tha sige Chaichat mapanda form kiba parliament mifam gi visit session manungda UPSC exam singi Manipuri optional question paper asidasu mitay mayek yahanbina ba mari lenaba singda taksinba laikre hauzik makki oinadi hariba question paper singasi Bengali mayek khakta da namli masina mitay mayek khaktamak tamlaba mahairoi singasida atuki matik awaba mayuk nari Manipur gi mahairoi singna thengnariba khudong chadaba singasi gi yengbiduna India government issue asigi matangda chap chaba thabak lokalakani habigi achel pathazaba lei haiba wafam thamladuna civil services amadi atei UPSC exam singi center singi manungda IMPHAL yahon birakpagi damak Manipur miya maru oina civil services thanaba sem sajariba candidate singi mahut sinduna Prime Minister bu thagatpa fongdokli haiba wafam sing MP Sanajaoba na thamlakli
giving me this opportunity, and my special mention is demand to open
singna hana thengnaram ba achauba khudong chadaba sing kokhan bibagi damak Rajya Sabhagi MP Sanajaoba bu maikei kiyadagi lepalaitana thagatpa fongdok narakli
UPSC or similar examination center in Manipur, IMPHAL. Sir, every year, many aspirant students of Manipur are appearing UPSC prelim examination in Manipur. But at the time of men's examination, the examination center has been shifted from IMPHAL to Aizawl, Shillong and Guwahati for reasons not known. This makes the poor and middle class aspirant candidates very disappointed and unaffordable for expenses in traveling, lodging and fooding, etc. In the last 5 years, Mizoram and Nagaland could not produce any qualified candidate, but Manipur is producing qualified candidates for every year. In 2020, as many as 30 candidates of Manipur have qualified in prelim examination, but only one candidate is from Mizoram and Meghalaya qualified. As of now, no examination center of UPSC or similar examination for men has been opened in Manipur, IMPHAL. So our students are facing hardship in appearing this examination. Therefore, I, on behalf of the students of Manipur, urge the government of India to open the examination center of UPSC or similar examination in Manipur, IMPHAL as soon